Thought we would decorate these two little tags that I found that I was going to put inside our little chicken signatures. So, it's going to be a short video, but this is just some cut-offs I had from, I don't even know what it was, but it was in my little scrap bin, and they just happened to be the perfect size for these little tags that I needed. So I backed it with some paper. And then this one is cut more into a tag shape. Oh, yeah, I forgot we had a doctor's appointment today. Oh, and one tomorrow. Imagine that. I guess Monday, Tuesday seem to be doctor's appointments. But I don't see any next week. I thought it was vice versa. I thought it, whoops, wrong one. I thought it was this week we were off, but no. I looked at the calendar. Sure enough, this week we have doctors. Next week we don't. Okay, and then we got this little mushroom label. All right. I know we're slowly getting these last tidbits done in this journal. Oops. Like I said, when we get back today, I'm hoping to finish by putting in laces and stuff. I think we're just going to leave that one like that. And we'll put some, you know, we're going to put some tulip, some little golds on there. Alright, now this one I've been toying with this paper and that paper. Or that one. But then I just thought that was too plain. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and go with some of this brown packing paper. Maybe I'll tear that a little more. Let our music note hang out there. And then maybe there, so some words can be, little letters that be hanging out. So I'm going to do that one. E, well, wipe my tape off. Throw those on the floor. Alright, and then I think I'm going to go with a little bit of dark green. Yep, I think I'll just keep that scrap how it is as I paint my fingernails. Excuse me. Yes, it sounds worse than it is. It's just stuck in here. Like I said, that's its little game it likes to play. Alright, and then we'll put little mushrooms on here. Oh, I got it out. Let's stick some on there so I can roll it up. Did it again. I've got it. You know, that glue sticks to the very bottom, very tips of your fingernails. And sometimes it comes off and sometimes it doesn't. Alright, let's see what we got. Yep, okay. So I'm putting them in here so we don't lose our little chickens, but yet they have a little something in there. So, all right. Let's see. This one's kind of telling me, hey, I need some washi on here. I'm like, okay, let's see what we got. I think that's too colorful. This might be too brown. I know. Just because it's telling me it needs some washi doesn't mean I have to listen to it, right? I think this might be too green. Maybe you want some washi on the back. I can do that for you. There, are you happy now? Who sang that song? Michelle Branch. Are you happy now? Go on, look me in the eyes. Tell me to my face. Thought I had a spare. Another one of these floating around that was already cut, but I don't see it. Okay, I want that little wonky. And let's see. We'll put some of this back here. Well, I thought I was. There it is. And I don't know if I want a little bit of ticket back there, but I'm gonna look and see. Oh yeah, let's put it back there. Okay. Now, let's see what we're gonna put. I think I'm gonna leave that plain, but I think he needs or maybe since this is big enough. Oh, but I'm covering up that. I don't like that. If I did that, I can bunch it a little bit so it wouldn't be... Okay, I kind of like that. Let's see if we can get some Fabri-Tac out. I feel you down there. Okay. Like I said, I just like that one by itself. Get my little stapler out, my tiny attachers, and just give that a little extra hold and squish them flat. All right. I think I'm going to leave them like that. And then come in and put some little dots on them. Maybe. If I get my glue back in. There he is. Okay. Get some more gold on here so it matches. Let's tap it down. Oh, there's my other shoes. Obviously, I went back upstairs barefoot because my shoes are underneath my feet and I got other shoes on. I know I'm really bad about that. Alright, so there's those two that we have. That's going to go inside our center signature. So we're going to let them dry. And like I said, I hate to make this so short, but just wanted to show you the two little tags that I'm putting in the center signature. And let me make sure there. Alright, so those are those two. And let me hurry up and get the dogs taken care of so we can get out the door. And then I will come back and work on it and show you all the other parts and pieces that we've got done. Okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. Thanks for sharing some of your time with me. I hope you're enjoying this little journal. And like I said, we're about to wind it up. So I will see y'all in the next video. So lots of kisses, lots of love. Y'all have a great day and a blessed day. Bye, guys.